Hi, I'm Marna, and this is a Dolls Rescue Channel. Darren and I just got back from an exhausting trip to Boston, and boy did we have fun. Well, I mean, we did and we didn't. It was a working trip, and Darren had a lot of things happen, but that's not what you want to hear about on this channel. What you want to hear about is I met Carrie and Eli from Ink Pads Play Pal in person. Had dinner with them, went to Target and went doll shopping with them. Subscribe to their channel, folks. They are just as you hear in the videos. They're fun, they're funny. I'm telling you the truth, we were gut laughing. Just a marvelous time. Then I got to meet Jamie at Let's Talk About It with Jamie. Oh my God, she is a doll. This is a doll channel. She's a doll. Subscribe to her. She is just what you think. She's about this big. She couldn't be any cuter or prettier or more beautiful. And I'm talking about to the bone. Again, the next night we had dinner with her and laughed till we just, oh, it was a great time. This was on our porch when we got home. I had ordered, this is from the trip. So I'm going to be opening dolls. This one, Jamie gave me, and we're going to do a video on it too. Isn't that the cutest? This is a Marie Osmond doll, and I'm very excited to have her. So check back to our channel. Keep in touch. Thank you for watching. Seriously, subscribe to Ink Pads Playpad and Jamie at Let's Talk About It with Jamie. Wonderful people. Thank you for watching our channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and come back to see all the unboxing. And subscribe.